Hey guys, I'm back with another few videos. I'm going to do a few this afternoon. I've actually, the past couple of weeks, I've done a few videos and have tried to get them posted. I think I've got a problem with my computer. I've got a new video camera. It's HD, Samsung, and I think that what was going on is maybe the camera's good, but what I was getting on my computer was really bad. So I didn't post them onto YouTube. So pretty much what I'm going to try and do is a series of videos, or maybe one long video today, this afternoon, just to get something out there and post it. Again, just a little bit of an update. I've got to go in for back surgery on the, November 8th. I'm going to be out for 6 weeks, 3 to 6 weeks, hopefully 3 weeks. And then after the first of the year sometime, the holidays, or maybe sometime in December or something, I don't know, I'm going to have to figure things out. I'm going to have to start looking for another job. I'm going to try and go out on a few actual trips and do something interesting instead of in my backyard, you know, all the time. But you know, summer months, I just don't want to get out there in the summer months. It's just too hot, too muggy, too much bugs here in Florida during the summer months. It's nice and cool here today. You're going to hear some wind. The wind is gusting up to 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour today. And it's cool. It's only, you know, 68, 70 degrees, something like that. So, you know, but there's a few things I'd like to go over and show you that I've gotten here new. One of them is, this is a Guide Gear pack, fairly new. It's not going to replace my Maxpedition packs, unless I'm going out for probably more than a weekend or a week. So it just depends on what I can get in my Maxpedition pack. This thing is huge. It's probably equivalent to Walmart's field something packs. Field line, I forget what they are. I've got a couple of them in the house. I've had for years. This thing is really big. Inside, you know, 4,488 cubic inches. It's got a couple of really good pockets, really big pockets on the outside. Good sized pocket there. It's got a hydration pocket in here if you use a hydration. I'm not going to replace my hydration bladders, I don't think. That's what I'm thinking about yet. Now, I'm thinking about switching completely over to bottles. Excuse me. Once the hydration packs I think I've got about 3 or 4 hydration bladders. Once they wear out, if they do, I'm probably not going to replace them. Hydration bladders have gotten to the point where they're absolutely astronomically out of sight financially. I mean, the money is just ridiculous for those things. And water bottles are a lot cheaper. And I really, really don't like trying to suck water out of those hoses. You know, I mean, it's just, I don't like it. So, got a small pocket right here on this pack. Let me see, we've got a huge pocket that will hold 2 or 3 1-liter water bottles in here. I think I've had 2 in here so far, just to test it out. So, you know, but this thing is, it's big. It's got a lot of room. It can go a long way. You can pack a lot in it, and you know, on each side of the pack, it's got not only top access to everything you've got in the pack, but it's also got side access to everything you've got in the pack. So, you know, you can get the things in the bottom of the pack pretty easy if you wanted to. So that's a pretty nice feature. Doesn't have a whole lot of outside tie downs. It does have a couple of, what do you call it? Cinch downs here to snug everything up inside the pack. Real nice straps and a sternum strap. The belt's pretty decent, nicely padded. The whole back of the pouch, or the whole back of the pack, is real nicely padded. The belts are pretty nicely padded. You know, you can connect something onto both hip belts here, the pads here. There's a couple places here to, like, MOLLE attachments attached here. A couple places on the straps for MOLLE attachments. But the rest of the pack really does not have a whole lot of attachment points. These things here you could attach something to, tied something down in there, and then there's two here that'll also attach something along to it on the outside. The stress areas are bar tacked and X stitched at the stress points. You know, there's a couple of exceptions, like here, that's just a real short piece going into the seam of the pack right there, but it should hold it. I don't see why not. I'm a Sportsman's Guide Club member, so I only paid like 27 bucks for this pack, so I'm thinking I can't go wrong. Again, there's guide gear. Hopefully you can see that guide gear there on the pack itself. I don't know what camouflage pattern this is, but it's one of the new 3D camouflage patterns. I'm looking for someplace on the pack that might tell me if it is which pattern it is. I don't know if it's Realtree or one of the other ones. I don't see anything where it tells me. Well, that's a quick review of the Guide Gear hunting pack. I think it's 4,488 cubic inches, and it's big. It's big. I think it would work just fine for a couple of week trip, or if you had a lot of gear. Like I say, I've got a. I'm going to do another review on as soon as I get the stuff. I'm supposed to have the rest of my stuff for it Thursday. I've got some other pouches I want to put on this Sabercat, but I've got a Maxpedition Sabercat that I'm setting up. That one and my Proteus Maxpedition Proteus pack are going to be my two primary wear packs as far as all my survival gear in those two packs. And with it cooling off and all, I've got cargo vests I wear. You're going to see me in, and I've got let me see. Then I've got the Vulture 2 pack to go along with all that, to kind of expand my room and my carry room and everything. But whenever we go, you see my video on the game card. So the big packs are going to go on the game card. I plan on wearing the Sabercat. And possibly the Proteus on me. But the Vulture 2 is going to go on that cart, and so is my grandson's pack going to go on that cart. So, okay. Well, thank you for watching.